Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Roshana, South Africa, and we're gonna go banger today. My room is not messy, you can see. This is my grandma's room. I'm spending the day with her because school is literally over. Okay, it's not messed up, and don't look at the roof, don't. Please don't. You guys, my room is messy, so don't look at the room, don't look at the roof, please. Please don't. I'll give you $1 million rand, $1 million. I don't know what the finger, but no one knows. Middle finger. Like a Bible. Bye. Bye. Go, we out besties forever.